Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Coinbase by disable. So let me show you the steps on how you guys can do that. So I'm going to tell you the main reason on why this thing occurs. So let's say like you guys are in a country where Coinbase is restricted or is banned, then basically your buy is going to be also disabled. So to fix this problem, you need to use a VPN and go to a country where it is allowed like UK, America, Canada and use it. Then basically you can buy crypto using Coinbase like that. Now that's one way to fix it. The other way to fix it is basically you need to wait for some time. So let's say a coin is disabled by Coinbase. They do this due to like security reason. So let's say like some crypto, some bug, like there is a chance like your money might get hacked and Coinbase is gonna disable buying of that coin. So if you want to buy a coin, then it's disabled, then you need to wait for some time until like Coinbase allows it to buy again or like no undisable it so you can buy it again. So the only way to fix this problem is to wait. And the other is, let's say as a coin was listed in Coinbase and you could buy it on previous time, but they delisted it due to some legal reasons. Coinbase is a centralized exchange, so if a crypto poses harm to like country, then like Coinbase is gonna delist it. Once they delist it, you can buy it. For an example, we can take Ripple XRP. You could buy XRP on like 2017 on Coinbase, but now you can't buy it. It is disabled because actually like Ripple XRP is being used by the SEC of like USA. So unless XRP wins the then basically Coinbase is not gonna list them again. So right now this is disabled due to like US law doesn't allow us buying for XRP. That's why it's disabled. So some coins may also have like problem like that. That's why they disabled it. So only thing you can do is wait, or you can use a VPN. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.